Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to your 8th tutorial on HTML and CSS. In the last tutorial, you learned text formatting. In this tutorial, you will learn anchor tags and hyperlinks. So let's get started. Okay guys, I opened the file that we left here the other day, and then I deleted what we wrote here and wrote this one. Okay? Now, what is anchor tag? Okay, let me first define anchor tag and hyperlinks before I demonstrate it practically. Anchor tag is an HTML tag used to define the beginning and the end of a link. It consists of the href, name, and target attribute. So we will talk about attributes later on this tutorial. Hyperlink could be a word, an image, or a phrase that you can click and take you to another document or another page. So hyperlinks are defined with this tag, all right, anchor tag. And then let me talk about this attribute here. This one is called href. It specifies the destination of the link. All right, and then we have URL here. This is the actual link that you want to link to your document. And here is the link text. Let me show you this practically. To demonstrate it, I will go to the folder where we created our first file or our first page. As you can see here, it is the page that we created when we begin writing our first line of code. All right, so now we will create a different page. Okay, now I'll go to file and then create new. Now as you can see, a blank document has appeared. This is the page that we are going to link to our main page. Let me put an H1 here. This is a page within the HTML document. All right, let me close it. And then let me put a p tag here. This page will be linked in another page. Okay. Let me save it. Of course, now I will say save as because I've not saved it before. Now let me say link. I will call this one link.html. And then here I will say all files. Save it. Okay. Now that I have saved it, in order for us to link it to our previous document, let's open this on Google Chrome. You will see it. Yeah, here it is. This is a page. So I want us to link it to this first document. So let's open this using Notepad. Now what we will do, as you can see here, this one is blank. All right, I deleted the one that we wrote here. So I will start it with the anchor tag. I will say href hyperlink reference equals to, and then we will put the URL. Because this one is a local file within our HTML folder, we'll just write the name as we saved it, link.html. all right, and then here we will write what will be displayed on the browser, because this here will not be displayed. All right, so what will be displayed is what we are going to write here. I will say click me. Okay, now let's save it. Okay, and then we refresh, not this one but this one, my profile, the one that we created first. You see now our link has appeared here. Now if we click it, it will direct us here. So let me remove this one here. So let me click this. You can see it directed us to this page. Okay, what if we want to go to an external page or website? To do that, I will copy this one here and then I will paste it below here. Let me put a BR tag so that they don't display on the same line. BR. Now, instead of link.html, I will put https :// and then I will put the name of the external site that I want us to visit. So in this case, I will write youtube.com. Instead of click me, I will say click here to visit YouTube. Save it, refresh here. You can see click here to visit YouTube. Let me click it. You can see now YouTube has opened because we linked it in our document here. So we have now talked about href attribute and we talked about the value here. Okay, now there is a different attribute that I want to teach you. It is called target. Okay, so the target attribute specifies where to open the link. You can either set it to blank or self. Right, now let's put the target attribute here. We say target or target in Sudanese accent. Alright, let's put the target attribute here equals to, and then we put the double quote. Alright, now we will say self. So self will open the link within the document. Alright, let's save it. First, we will go back to our main page. Alright, now the target attribute is in this click me. Alright, it is here. Now I saved this one, so I will say click me. You see, it opened the link within the same document. Let me go back. Alright, now let's put the target attribute to blank. So by blank, it means it will open it in a new tab or window. Let me save it. Let me refresh this. Click me. You see, it has opened our link in a different tab. You see here, our main page is here. When we click me, it has opened in a different tab. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you have learned something. In the next tutorial, we will talk about HTML lists. I'll see you there.